Hello, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
We are back with a different format today. I am here with my friend Megan, and we are hitting the Thrift because she's in town. So we're gonna get something from the thrift store for me to thrift flip for her.
For me.
So show us your Pinterest.
Oh, I want something like very kind of slouchy. So this is kind of what I want, like something with ties and I don't know,
Cute little ties. Yes. Very cute.
Right?
Yes.
This is our Uber driver.
Being Ubered around.
Even if we can't find pants, it would be cute to do like some sort of set where it's like longer shorts, you know?
Yes. You look so cute on this camera. On our way to the Thrift. Value Village. We're back in the studio.
In the studio cooking up something hot.
We found some stuff at the thrift store, so we're gonna do a little haul.
So we got this.
Very
Color
cute.
kind of looks weird on the camera, but it's cool. Cute.
We love the baby poop green.
Baby poop green, as one would call it. To make maybe like a matching set, we got like these
Little
pants.
work pants.
And then like a
Button up.
button up to make.
Gorgeous.
Yeah. And then
Gorgeous.
also got pillowcases. The color doesn't match though, so like
You might use them.
we may or may not.
We may or may
use
not.
them.
They will be used for something.
Something. I just got this randomly just because I thought it was cool. It was
Little
just a
swimsuit.
little vintage swimsuit.
Yes. Love it. Now it's time to start sketching. We have come up with our sketches. Here we go. All of the little sketches. And now it's time to get to work while Megan watches Queer Eye.
Correct.
So the first top I'm thrift flipping is this button-up top, and we pulled this picture for inspiration from Megan's Pinterest board, which is this little V-neck top with ties on it, and it was super easy to make. I wanted to sandwich the ties in between so it would have a clean finish. So what I did was just put like a half lining on the front part of that shirt when I made it, and then I gave it all like a double rolled hem so the edges would be super clean. And then we found these scrub pants that were like the same color black, but they were a little big on her and they were full length pants. So I decided to take them apart through the crotch seam, and that way I made them look a little less diapery on her, a little less baggy. And then I just serged them back together and made a new hem, and then they turned into a pair of shorts. So the next thing I'm tackling is this green button up, and then we also pulled that picture from Megan's Pinterest board. It's this little top that kind of like overlaps in the front, but it looks like it's reversible. So I liked that concept of it, and I decided to finish off the edges with bias tape instead of hemming it to give it kind of a retro vibe, because the color was kind of giving me like mid-century vibes. So I was surprised with how this one came out. I really did love it. And the little buttonhole, I just love how it's like reversible. You can wear it either backless or wear a little bralette under it and have it facing the front. And then for the pillowcases, I really wanted to make something from them. I did not want them to just, not be used. So I made this little tie top that was on her Pinterest board also, and this one was so easy and it ended up being my favorite. So I just like double rolled all of the hems and then tacked the ties on there. And then I had a vision, these were not on her Pinterest board, but I wanted to make the other pillowcase into like little ruffly shorts. So I used the remainder of the pillowcases to make the shorts, and I actually made these super, super quick because I just wasn't sure if she was going to like them. I wasn't sure if I was going to like them, but I just put like a simple little elastic waistband in there, and they came out so cute. Let me tell you, this is my favorite set for sure. So now that I'm done, it's time to show Megan all of the different looks. Okay, come here. Close your eyes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put you in frame. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, the shorts are giving a little toddler, but like
no,
they're kind of
so
cute. I don't know if they're gonna fit, but we're gonna see because I had a hard time getting them on the mannequin.
How the heck did you do this?
Just a little something. So a little magic.
Cute.
All right. So I didn't know if I was going to love the shorts until I got them on the mannequin. So I didn't make a full pattern. I rushed through them. I wasn't sure if they were going to fit Megan. And then I saw how cute they were on the mannequin. And I was like, crap because they were so cute, but I was really afraid they weren't gonna fit her because they were literally impossible to get off the mannequin.
Oh my god. That is so cute.
Right?
Oh my god, I love it.
Now, this was the look from the button-up top and the scrub pants.
Oh my gosh. It's exactly what I wanted. It's so cute, Paige.
This was the top I wasn't sure about at first, but I ended up loving.
Oh my god! I love it! I'm so pleasantly surprised with this. Alright. Yes, little side detail. Adorable. Adorable. Love. Okay.
Here's my ex-boyfriend, guys. My ex-boyfriend just pulled up. This is what it does. This is what, when Paige makes it close, it makes your ex-boyfriend crawl.
Oh my god.
My ex-boyfriend came back.
Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous.
So cute.
Alright.
Love it. Okay, and now I feel like you should go inside and just flip it around because I want to see business, casual, or
The last
Last
look.
a sleigh. Yes. Yes. You are adorable. Thank you.
Not the X crawling out of the woodwork.
I'm just obsessed. Everything came out so phenomenal. Let me know what you guys think. This was such a fun video for me because we have very different styles, but it was really fun to make something Megan's style because she has gorgeous style. Personally,
I am obsessed.
I think we hit the nail on the head with her Pinterest board.
Yeah.
So let me know if you guys like this video. If you did, please subscribe. You have to say it. Say like, I'll cut it, but
Wait, say what?
like comment and subscribe.
Wait. Comment and subscribe. Like and
Comment, subscribe. Okay. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did,
like, comment, and subscribe.
and we'll see you next time.